Welcome to Studio Kitchen with me, Chef D. Simple, easy ingredients that are truly better with Bothwell cheese. The Canadian sandwich, Canadian grilled cheese. Let's take some Bothwell marble, place it onto our sandwich, and we're going to double it up so the cheese is on both sides of the bread. Then we're going to take 2 Canadian classics, some pea back bacon, some beautiful side bacon, close it. No butter needed on this one. We have our panini press up and ready. We're going to press our sandwich for about 2 minutes, and we're going to eat this beautiful cheesy bacon goodness. And you just start seeing that the cheese is starting to peek out of the sandwich a little bit. Take it over. Simple, fresh Canadian ingredients that are better with Bothwell. Now that's a great sandwich.